How are you? How are you?
Are we too late?
For what?
To race in the races.
Me against you?
Yeah.
Pink slips?
Foot race.
Yeah.
Let's do it to the two.
All right. On your mark, get set.
I'll give you a head start. I'll see you.
See you later.
Good morning. It's time to go racing. Well, I would have this at even a little bit more, 22, because these are going to gain. These are going to gain the most pressure.
Which one's the left side?
Yeah, the left side, front left. I'm just doing a little rust prevention, guys.
Jay, how do you handle your hair during the race?
I just like to go 22 all around. That way, when the tire pressures change, you know where they went to, because you know where you start from. 22, we go up to 24, we've gained 2 PSI. That's pounds per square inch. I'm using my new shaker weight. This is how I keep in shape at the track. Getting tired, switch arms. Whew, good workout. Let's go.
Let's do it. Yeah, I know. It's all.
All right, everybody, let's get started. Thank you, Dale. Happy birthday to Dale. As you know, at this track, we are not above shutting it down and having everybody come in and think about it for a while and try it again. Let's not do that this time. Have a good weekend. Stay safe. Thank you for being here.
Quick reminder, nobody pop the back while the driver is still in the car. Make sure the driver is out of the car before you do anything fuel related. Okay, Bobby. You didn't pass the car, you passed 3 cars. I saw them. It was I was going really fast, and I saw him throw his hand up. All right.
Too late, I would guess.
All right.
There you go. All right.
You know what? I really didn't. Okay.
There's nothing you can say, Mark. Just say I won't do it again.
I will not. I personally will not do it again.
All right. So how do we fix this problem? I need you to fix the problem of you driving. All right. So the way to do that is to be looking up and down the track, and don't get bothered. Don't get too busy with what's here and not looking at what's up. Okay. That's your job number 1, is to see those flags. They tell you everything that's going on. Okay. Job number 1, see those yellow flags. Okay. All right. Don't get carried away racing. Don't step on your dicks like that. This is New Jersey. I understand. It takes some extra special lack of talent to do that. All right. This is Jersey. We have a shorter leash with people here than usual. So next time we're going to be saran wrapping you to the car and making you apologize for the panic.
Well, at least my dick is in my pants. No, I'm just teasing.
You know, I don't.
Let's go, Mark.
You do what you do, but see
go.
those yellow flags.
Thanks for letting me back out there.
All right,
Thank
get
you.
out of here. Slow in the paddock, 10 miles an hour.
Copy.
Yeah, but nobody does it on purpose. You're just so focused on
Well,
this thing or this guy.
He's giving me air fuel mixture readings. You know, he doesn't. You know, I'm glad you called him in.
Yeah. So he's looking at the dash too much to look out the side.
Because that's like the only place we can really get a good reading on anything is down the front straight.
plenty
So
of
that's
time
probably
in
how it
this.
happened. But yeah.
You got to be looking ahead also.
Oh yeah, for sure. On and gloves, and they're going to be out there with the sign up. Just keep a lookout for them. Go ahead, go there, guys. Visors down, visors down. race because it's pretty much all new drivers for most of the teams.
How are we as far as B-class position?
Don't worry about it.
Don't worry about it.
It got all messed up when you came in.
Did it really? How bad?
Don't worry about it.
Listen, your fastest lap,
Yeah.
like a 153 or something.
Yeah.
The fastest B-class guy's 147. Like, how do we make up 6 fucking
Oh,
seconds?
we can't.
It's just we might have to reposition those surge tanks off the corners and maybe into this, like instead of in the corners, bring them out of the corners, just a box.
Oh, they're in
with-
the corners.
Yeah.
The whole thing, the surge tank is on the right and the left.
Yeah, back corners.
Totally. With the G-forces that this car has with those new tires, I can see that happening.
What do you think, dude?
No
You like
way,
it?
but not only on braking, but in braking, you're only braking for a second or two. That there should be enough gas in the surge tanks.
I know, but because the fuel tank is longer in front of you, its braking isn't going to affect it. It's left and right.
I'm coming around to the right. I'm in fourth gear. I'm just cruising. I'm coming up behind the Elmer's glue guy.
Yeah.
I think I have a full, at least a car width, car and a half width to the left. He cuts me off. I go into the rumble. Not to freak out. I just go off. I come back on. I went a little sideways and kept back on.
All right, let me ask you this question. It's a very important question. Yeah, I'm all ears. Did this guy see you in the other?
I believe he saw me. I was right next to
There
him.
you go. That's all I need to hear because your belief is probably not grounded in reality.
Oh, come on.
Come on!
All right. You have to be certain that he sees you. All right. Next time, probably back out there. all right?
I will. I mean, I've just been like cruising in fourth gear. We're having fuel problems. I've been seriously taking it so mellow.
All right. There are
14 minutes.
13 minutes.
Yeah.
Can you behave yourself?
Absolutely. I mean, it's ridiculous.
Putter
I'm even in
around.
here.
Just get the car so you can glad hand everybody as you come off.
We're doing really good.
Yeah. All
We're
right.
doing really good.
Behave yourself. Don't
will.
let the pressure of 17th place get to you.
Yeah, dude. We're really close to getting 17th.
We were.
Yeah, we were.
Were you actually 17? Later, guys. Go. Yeah.
A lot of fun. Fun watching you. You got up before you spun. You were at 12th and B.
I didn't spin.
I stopped
Cut me.
resisting,
He
like,
fucking cut me
15
off.
years ago.
I'm
Yeah,
taking
'cause-
rights hard.
Yeah, so
because
this
the left side fuel surge tank works better.
This is the hot.
I was-
Yo. Are these beads?
Are those?
I was battling fuel starvation for 40 minutes.
Wow.
Is the tire shredded?
Yeah.
Well, we got a
Well,
backup.
no,
right?
no, I can't tell. Oh, it's shredded. All right.
I was hearing something crazy back there.
You're lucky you didn't have a blowout. This is the outside of the tire, and it's all chewed up. I mean, it's destroyed. Those are probably radials. We're going to replace it with our spare right here. I personally, we need to buy more tires, basically, but tomorrow's a short day, so we're just going to try to get away with what we can get away with.
I'm going to take apart that fuel cell tonight.
Paul's going to come over. Paul's
Yeah.
gonna come over as well because he had some thoughts that maybe the pickup's cracked. He wanted to know if the returns were going back into the box.
We should split the return if we can.
Yeah.
And go into both, but then we should switch where we position them. Dude, the first hour, I was probably driving harder than I've ever driven.
Yeah, you.
And then I'm like, you know what? I better just kind of fucking mellow out.
You gained some spots by doing that.
Well, listen, there's 6.5 hours of racing left, so let's not get in trouble tomorrow. Let's figure out the fucking fuel thing and never come off the track. I think that's how we get it. We're gonna win this fucking race.
So the hatch closes nicely now, or
Ish.
you know?
Closes enough.
It's not a show car.
We got, the show car went away.
You know, you can pour little vials of fluid in there, and it makes it smell like I like cotton candy.
Stop.
It makes it smell really cool out of the back of the car.
This is an original from the old tank, probably 20 years old.
The one I have has little square doors
Yeah,
on
that's
it.
on this one.
3. Okay.
That's on the right
All
side
right.
one.
All right.
If we can just slice this off and thread this on where that was on, so you can just use this section right here, right?
Oh, yeah.
What was the arrangement that we're changing it?
Had it in the right rear and the left rear.
Right.
You have 3 doors on it. You smack it against the front where there's no door. Right and left picks up on the accelerator. The accelerator goes to the door but can't come out. And you put one in the back and it does the same thing.
Right.
Except to get more fuel when you accelerate.
Gotcha.
The accelerator goes to the back, goes in the door, can't come out the door.
Nice. All right.